This is the foot sensor that I picked up from Fungineers. You do need some velostat to put on top for it to work. And as you can see, this is the 3D printed foot pad that I have. Now, because I used a nozzle that's 0.8 millimeters thick, you can see these pretty massive stair steps here. And in order to prevent that from interfering with the efficiency of this foot sensor, I printed these thin 2-layer squares that I just basically put in here, and I will glue one down on the bottom and then put the foot sensor down, then the velostat, and then this here on top. Once all is done, it kind of looks like this. You can see the grip tape on top of the PLA, hiding all the ugly bits, and it works really well. I get about 1 volt with no pressure on it, and then more than 3 volts on either side when I'm standing on it. So it works much better than my other 40 millimeter sensors.